The man who police say shot and killed Officer Ronald Tarantino Jr. during a traffic stop Sunday had an extensive criminal history, including violence against police officers. It has some in the officers' community wondering why he wasn't in prison. Our Olivia Lemmon has the details.
Court records show state police arrested Jorge Zambrano just days before the 35-year-old shot and killed Auburn Police Officer Ronald Tarantino Jr. Zambrano's lengthy criminal history includes charges of assault and battery on a police officer. It has some questioning why he wasn't locked up.
They need to be put away. They can't be just turned right back out. They're out in the street faster than the police officer finished his report on what happened.
Worcester County District Attorney Joseph Early Jr. says Zambrano served 7 years in prison after punching an officer in the face and coming at police with a knife in 2007.
He served all of that sentence. After that, when he got out of jail, he continued to commit crimes.
This January, Zambrano was arrested again in Worcester for assault and battery on a police officer. Court records show the officer approached the car. Zambrano grabbed his uniform and tried to pull the officer into the car with a pit bull inside.
We made a determination that if we put him on probation and had 2.5 years hanging over his head, test him for drug and alcohol. If he stayed clean, fine. If he didn't stay clean, we could send him to jail for 2.5 years.
Early says a month later, Zambrano violated his probation. He was arrested on a domestic violence charge against his girlfriend. At the time, the DA asked the judge to revoke his bail, but Zambrano was released on $500.
The system moves too fast, and we treat people as files, as numbers, not as individuals. We don't get to know him well.
Retired Massachusetts District Court Judge Isaac Borenstein says the Zambrano case is the result of an overburdened system.
That's the dilemma, and therefore you lose people, which is what happened here. We lost them. And we have a tragedy as a result.
Zambrano's most recent arrest was on May 16th for driving with a suspended license. He was released on personal recognizance. The district attorney says prosecutors and judges make tough decisions every day.
The judges have a hard job as well. They don't have a crystal ball either. They have to make assessments based on the facts presented to them, knowing that any one of them could blow up at any time.
Olivia Lemmon,